We at Blink, we have developed an open alternative payment network and clearing network called the Blink Link that basically enables financial institutions to offer payment solutions to their clients through mobile devices. We believe that there's a high demand for this from clients at the financial institutions, not only to get the mobile banking side, but also the mobile payments. We are providing these services through different devices. Some of them are well-known devices such as cell phones. Some others can be proprietary devices that are single purpose for giving you access to those mobile payment solutions. Basically, these phones come preloaded with all of the applications that you will imagine you will need as a way of connecting to your bank to do the mobile payments. It will be branded, not with the Blink Nation, but with the bank information. The first thing you can do is you will have it's push technology, meaning that anything that happens with your account at the moment you're connected, it's being pushed down to you. If a deposit just cleared, if you just did a transaction with plastic in a merchant, it will be pushed down to you. It will tell you what went on, what's a new balance, what happened to that, what was the transaction that was done. At the same time, it enables you to initiate payments knowing public IDs. You can use your bank account to send money to anybody, even if they're not part of the network, using email addresses or phone numbers. So you can use all of those services starting from your main bank account. You can also do proximity payments. This is something that it's starting to catch on some other places in the world. We believe it's going to happen eventually in the US pretty soon. And we're going to do an example. Chelsea is going to use one phone where it says that it's waiting for the other phone to connect. It tells you the balance. So the second phone is right now says, please wait for incoming payment. It recognizes that someone wants to send them a payment. She's putting the amount on the first phone. She's confirming with the card PIN, with the bank account PIN. And once it's validated, it's ready to touch again and confirm. So this just did a real-time transfer from one bank account to another in real time. And you're using the phone systems, and well, these phones are NFC capable, but there are other ways to do it. Just functionality, it's on an NFC phone. Basically, we want to offer this to financial institutions. Right now, we have the first solution. It's a bundle that comes together, the prepaid card with the phone. We want to go to institutions that are issuing store value products and prepaid cards in a way that they can have their phone linked to their prepaid card. And the time they have it together, they can use their prepaid card to do any sort of transactions as they usually do. And whatever transaction they do happens in real time in their phone, and they get information, and they want to use their phone to initiate payments from here, they can do them. For example, this payment that Chelsea just did to me on my phone, it's linked to my prepaid, so I can go immediately to an ATM and withdraw the money as good as cash. So we're offering this to financial institutions to link services that are on the prepaid and store value programs with the ability to do them on a phone. The platform, it's very flexible. You have some things that seem very obvious, like having your real-time balance at the of the prepaid card at the home screen. So you're knowing every time how much money you have left on that card before going to reload it, or you can transfer minutes to your voice plan and buy them straight from the phone. Also, the interfaces for the Blink Link platform to work are very flexible. You have them, it's flexible on the handset levels. You can work on multiple handsets. This is just one example that has, of course, the proximity payments available to be executed with them. You can also, we're not married with any technology. If it's NFC, if it's Bluetooth, if it's something else that comes on, if it's finger recognition, it's going to be everything available through the platform to clear for the institution. So they don't need to worry about what's the solution, what's going on. We take care of that from that front end, from the platform perspective. And at the same time, it has some open protocols for different mobile software solution providers to develop and put those into the application that they already do for different banks. So this is more of the mobile payment space. It's also very flexible for the bank. If they want to customize it, the pricing structure, the branding, it can be fully branded by them. It doesn't need to show any sort of branding. And they can create programs for different segments inside their institution. Thank you very much.